Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to see which apps have access to your location. So of course, which apps is currently using your location, you can actually review and grant or revoke access. All right, so it's easy. So go ahead and go to settings. You're going to be in the main settings, go down. You're going to search for the blue hand, which is privacy and security. Go ahead and select. All right, so it's at the top of the list here. It says location service. Go ahead and tap. And here it says share my location. You can actually turn that off and it will overall affect everything. So you can say here, share my location. You can, this device, you can turn it off. And of course, you have the find my feature that's on. All right, so in case you want to review for specific apps, calendar, notice I've set that to never, camera, never. So meaning like your camera will not use it for photos. Find my while using it. And of course you have different apps. Let's say you have an app that you don't want to use your location. So like Siri, you can set that to when shared, you get it? And of course you can say like weather when you're using the weather. All right, so you can go in here. You have three options. You can say never. You can say ask next time or when I share. So in other words, every time it needs it, it will ask while using the app, meaning only when you open it, or when you're actually using it while using the app or widgets. So only when you use the apps or widget, or you can just grant it outright access, right? And this one is great. You can toggle off precise location. So even if you give location, you can give them approximation and not the precise. So you have a number of options. So you can always turn off precise. Some will ask for precise. And of course, you can always say the answer up here according to what you want. So go ahead and review all of your location access and what's accessing your location. All right. So I'll end the tutorial here. I hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.